Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of By Legion Among Mortals, chapter 220. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Shajin and Muxi. It is winter, but here's a peach blossom. Well, this is amazing, right? Snow is falling down, but right now, the tree, there's a lot of flower. So it turns out, the story came back to the present when Muxi and Shajin seeing each other again. Well, I thought we'll get stuck on the old memory, but gladly, let's return to the normal chapter. Is it because of the Vlad spirit I remember everything? Now, Muxi told Shajin. Shajin, she was listening to her. Now, look at her. Mixie, she became teary. But Shajin, she's trying to comfort her. Even though it was really showering, peach blossom has been spread out to the place. Now Shajin, she hugged her tightly, and she was calling her Mixie. The feelings and also their emotion are really getting heightened. Oh, it really makes sense. Mixie, I am. Even if it's a fantasy, but at least this moment, it's really beautiful, although we all know. So it turns out everything can be seen by younger version. Still, Violet and Mixie, they're walking on the street even though snow that's really falling hard. Girl said to her daughter, "Where are the flowers?" Oh, it really makes sense. She got really curious about this. Also, look at her. She was holding umbrella. She doesn't know that God is only hiding from her. There was clearly something there just now. There really was something there. The child, she was speaking to her mom. But right now, Shajin, although we all know that when that moment comes, we will be separated. Now, they're really enjoying each other. Well, this thing, they're only paying her back. Like, she can able to do what things she want to do. It is real separation. When I return, the blood spirit, the Shajin, our 1,000 year of fun will end. Oh, this is really sad. If she can able to return the spirit, Shajin, of course, maybe she will no longer live here. Shajin can only become his true self if she takes back the blood spirit in my blood. 1 month later, on the eve of Spring Festival, turns out there's a lot of fireworks has been firing off. Oh, looking at Sisi's family. Sisi, I will cook. You're so busy with your studies. Now the winter vacation has finally come to go and have a rest for a while. Her mother told her, of course, it was Sisi. She always wanted to do whatever the things that she wanted. Told her mom, "It's okay mom, I'm not tired. I'm sure I'll come soon." Now it makes sense. Her mother still speaking to her. He is coming, so why don't you tell me in advance? Just have Spring Festival holiday today. Sissy told her mother. Now, it was really rushing through. Then, Shaoxi, you cook. I feel like you want to do it. Her mother told her. Now, this is really getting serious, right? She really need to prepare something. But, of course, right now, Sissy, she was blushing. Probably, she's been thankful that her mother and father is not objecting to the relationship of the two of them. After a while of speaking to her mother, door, it was ringing. Well, probably, this is Senbui. She already came back for the vacation. Now, Puyi, are you here? Shaoxi has been waiting for you at home. Hello, Aunt. Sinbuya said. Shaoxi, she wanted to divert her attention. Puyi, you are here. Sissy, I don't believe what you said. I believe Auntie. Auntie, this small gift fought for you and Uncle. Well, she was really smart, right? Also, right now, she seems to be contented. I didn't doubt that. She couldn't bring Peter things. We referred so many thoroughly and you still said, Friend, you expected me to come. Now, it seems that everyone seems to be busy, especially Sis's mother. This is the gift that Puyi bought for us. The child has grown up and she was so polite. Oh, her mother, it's really boosting her up on her father. Oh, her father continued to drink a coffee. Look at him. She seems to be surprised. Well, it was really shocking, right? Auntie, I don't mind. I think, Uncle, it's pretty. And it's also cool. So it turns out she's really ready for this. Colleague said, Auntie, are you a bit obsessed with your looks? Auntie, are you a bit obsessed with your looks? Auntie, are you a bit obsessed with the looks? Ha ha, me too. Looking at Sissy, she's going to prepare the table. Oh, she already told them. It's dinner time. Oh, she seems to be contented. After preparing the dishes on the table, Sissy, did you make all these dishes? Mother and I did this together. Well, most of the dishes are made by Chelsea. Mother told them. Oh, looking at her mother, she seems to be in good condition. Don't doubt that you can come and visit us. Chelsea is a child who is not very socialite. Auntie, it's really happy that she has someone. Chelsea's father got interrupted them. No, they're dating without having to say. They're really important people. Oh, this man. It turns out he is really jealous about this. Now, look at them. All four of them are having fun on dinner. Well, at this moment, everyone seems to be getting serious. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Now, her father told her, have a good look in relationship. Well, let's see, and let's hope that everything will be fine. Also, she's been saved by that. Sissy, right now, she was thinking, it was a heartwarming, okay, I will. Oh, she seems to be in rattle. Of course, she was only staring at hers. Sissy suddenly told Mixie, okay, I will. Everyone seems to be serious, especially right now. There's a lot of kings. Sinbui and I will go downstairs to set off the fireworks. Sissy told her parents, well, stay safe. Her mom told her, let's see on what's gonna happen next. When they already goes back on the street, everyone seems to be busy. Now, the thing is, everything seems to be lively. Now, let's see on what will happen next. Well, finally, the two of them are being rekindled. Now, my aunt secretly told me that I'm also the daughter. You weren't angry, right? My sister is not the sister that she's been used to. I used to think it would be great if I could stay like kids forever, but when I grow up, I can tease you in my way I want. Well, right now, you see, she's trying to coax her and also to get closer to her. Do you really want to make me angry? Sissy said to Sinboye. Sissy, she moved closer to her. Right now, she's kissing her gently. Oh, today's chapter is really good. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. That the two of them are finally getting rekindled to each other. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.